Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about a lovely flowering plant called Fresia. Fresia is a cool temperature plant that grows from a bulb or corm. These plants originate from Africa. They have really beautiful flowers that come in many colors. They're not only very colorful, but they're also fragrant. They have a beautiful and unique aroma which makes them so special. The flowers look a bit like orchids. They're also great as cut flowers. Fresia plants grow just like any lily plant with a more compact size, and they have long grass-like foliage. Here in parts of India you can grow them in winter season. In colder climates they grow in the springtime. They're great plants for containers. You can grow 3 to 5 plants in an 8-inch pot. The soil for this plant should be rich but loose and well draining. You can use sandy loamy soil. Add good amount of compost and a few tablespoons of bole meal to prepare the potting media. So this is how the corms look like. They look like small onions. Always get big and good quality corms for better flowers. Place the corms on the soil like this. The pointy side should be upward. After placing them properly, cover them with soil. You can cover them 1 to 2 inches deep. Water the soil and keep them moist. Put them in a bright area. Don't water them too much. Maintain minimum moisture, otherwise they can rot. So my plants started coming out in 5 days. They sometimes can take time to come out, so be patient. This is after 15 to 20 days and you can see they are getting tall. They have tall grass-like foliage that can reach up to 2 feet height. Keep them in full sunlight. Give them 6 hours of direct sunlight to get maximum flowering. They will not bloom well in shade. You can add more soil at the base of the plants. You can also give them some support because strong winds can flop them over. Fertilize them with a little bone meal every 20-day gap. You can use any organic liquid fertilizer weekly too. You don't need to add anything else. Water them when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Don't overwater these plants, that can cause fungus problems and damage the plants. So here is how the flower stems look like. It took around 90 days for the flowers to come. At this stage you can give them partial shade so the flowers can last longer. You will get multiple flower stems from one plant. When the flowers bloom they look really beautiful and the fragrance is amazing. After the flowers dry up, you can remove them and let the plant naturally die out. Then you can collect the bulbs and store them for next season. That is how you can grow Fresia in your garden. They're quite easy and lovely flowers. Especially the blue and purple flowers look amazing. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.